Hi, now we are going to discuss about a digital writing tool what is called Grammarly. Grammarly is an online or digital writing tool working based on artificial intelligence with natural language processes. So, in order to go to Grammarly, you can type at grammarly.com. So this Grammarly will help the people to make. So once you have go to grammarly.com, there are different plans available. So basically the new things. So this is the tab. If you want to write an article, or if the written article is to be corrected language, the Grammarly is wonderful writing tool which help you to enhance your writing ability without any error. So now just there are different options. Here I can go and upload the new document. So what document you can have at any part of your computer can be inserted. For example, just I am inserting an article which is written recently. Once the article is uploaded, that article is uploaded or will be uploaded in the Grammarly page. There is an option. The article which you are writing on Grammarly website or article which you have written and uploaded in the Grammarly website will ask some basic question is audience. Which people of audience they are going to have a read on the article which you have written. So now I am going to give general and what is a formality, informal or neutral form. Since it's an article for journal, just I give formal, then domain is general or any subject you can choose. Then after doing everything you can go for done. So now the article title is digital portfolio. So there are different options, different color options are available. See, the word which is underlined by red color are all pointed by it needs a correction. So total is 76 words of that particular article need to be corrected. And what the words which is underlined through the blue need some clarity where you can give some clarity. The word which is underlined through or by that green need to be engaged a little bit. So this is a coloring option will help the people to go for very good understanding on writing. For instance, if you go and make a right click itself, automatically it will give you this is an amount, but immediately right side it is called among is not good between. So instead between will be selected. So you can make a working and working it is to be written like this working of Tamil Nadu require a gap. So like that. So the particular application will make you to enhance your writing digitally. So instead of waiting for days together or months together for language correction of each and every article, thesis, public dissertation, the Grammarly is one of the important website which is run by an American company which helps for the teachers like anything. And if there are any alert, all the alert will be showing. Directly you can go just and select that particular word. So after doing everything, there is an option to download the articles. After doing every correction, the full of article, now you can go for a download. This document actually you can make a print also. Then undo options and many options available. Like that, the whole article can be very well corrected with the help of taken is replaced by take. See, for instance, there are some words, but as far as my concern, there are the words which is need to be clarified is not available at the moment. So after doing everything, this thing you can go and make a download or make a print.